Morning, YouTube. It's a brisk 34 degrees down here in South Alabama. To me, that's kind of cold, so laugh it up. Anyway, went to crank the lawnmower to pull it back in the shed this morning. She's dead. Battery's dead. So I figured I'd make a video on something I've been meaning to do lately, but I just haven't done. Right here, we've got everything we need. I'll go over it. $20 solar panel off eBay. 18-2 wire from Lowe's. It cost about, I think, $8. Some wire clips and some wire connectors from eBay. I want to get all this put together, explain it to you real quick. Okay, on my four-wheeler, my battery's right here. Seat goes here. There's the fuel tank. So I'm going to drill a hole right here and another hole right here so I can bring my wiring from my connector straight to my battery. Right here would be good. That's where my clip will go. Sorry about the fingers. There we go. Now I can run a wire through there. And this fits perfectly. Right there. I'll put the nut on the back. Tighten it up. On the lawnmower, the battery's right here. So I'm going to drill a hole right here. Yeah, I got a dull bit. Ooh, almost fell in there. Check for fit. You'll know what size connections to get when you get your little solar panel in. That would probably be different than the ones that I have, so I'm not going to share what size I've got. That'll be perfect to mount to that battery right there. Okay, here's your little wire clips. They make them in 3, 4, and I believe 5. These are the 3s as far as how many wires can go in each one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to connect all 3 reds. One of them is going to be coming from the panel. The other 2 are running, one to the four-wheeler and one will be to the lawnmower. But all you do is you push it in. Hard to do this one-handed, but the red pushes in and then the white pushes in. Looks like my longer prong is going to be my positive. My shorter prong is going to be my negative. 14 volts, that's about perfect. Alright, got it finished. Solar panel will catch the sun. I showed you earlier it's 14 to 14.4 volts depending on how much sun is on it. Later in the day, I'll show you here in a second, I put silicone between the wires so that they wouldn't make contact when I made the terminations. I got the wire coming up here where it's split going to both of them. Got them running over the rafters. Got one coming down for the lawnmower, one coming down for the four-wheeler. This silicone was dry, so I'll show you what the termination looks like. Inside here it's full of silicone so that the wires won't touch each other. And all you do, I'll show you how much juice is pumping with no sun on the solar panels whatsoever. I shine the voltmeter. This is just a solar panel. I don't have the four-wheeler plug in at this moment. 12.19. There's no sun on that solar panel right now, but there will be tomorrow. Plug it in. I've got all the wires connected. The battery will stay good for, should be at least 10 years. If it don't ever, if your battery level never goes down, your battery doesn't go bad. This is what it looks like on the inside. The silicone isn't quite dry yet, so I haven't put the cap on, but I got the silicone on the wires. I just plug it into the four-wheeler and it'll be good to go. I appreciate you watching our channel. And if you have any questions, comments, some way you think that this could be better, leave it in the comment section.